I will show you how to replace the lenses of your Warden frames. So what you're going to do is take a simple Phillips head screwdriver and you're going to take out the little screw that connects the temple of the frame to the front of the frame. So you just insert that and twist to the left so that the screw comes out slightly. Now what you're going to do is just pop out the lens. It should just pop right out, like so. Now to reinsert it, you're going to line up the edges of the lens with all the different edges of the frame. And make sure that the lens is in the frames fully. You should hear a couple of clicks. And then you're just going to tighten up the screw that you loosened. So you just line it up and then twist to the right. And that's it.